This cozy ranch is tucked away on a quiet cu-de-sac in well-established Wedgewood. Lovingly maintained, with several of the major systems of the home updated recently, this home could be a showstopper with a few cosmetic updates. Features include 30-year architectural shingle roof, 2021 gas water heater, 2022 replacement windows, gas furnace, central air, and hardwood flooring. Additional living space with gas fireplaces found in the converted garage. The spacious backyard with shed is fully fenced and boasts a quaint slate patio. Located only minutes to the Amphibious base, I-64, ocean view beaches and major shopping,